Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can, for example, change its behavior. You can change which sounds and vibrations will be allowed during Do Not Disturb mode. Here you can block sound notifications, sound and visual notifications. You can also customize it here, customize its restrictions for yourself. Here you can add exceptions, for example, for calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Here you can star contacts. There's also an option, allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. The same goes to messages. Also, you can add reminders and events to exceptions. You can also set default duration for this mode. And there's also an option turn on automatically, which is basically just a schedule for the Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.